Good day everyone, we are from Group 1. Our group member includes Chu Haisan, Lao Yuwen, Lim Pei-jing, Ross, Annie, Sofia, Dan, DAARSHINI. Now we will start the presentation with the topic of creating and managing a portfolio that consists of 3 local stock and 2 international stock. My name is Chu Haisan, matrix number 2F4NI2. Now I will continue the presentation with introduction. The 5 efficient stock that were selected in this analysis include PETGAS 6033 KLCC, 5235 SS, and TM4X63, which are for Malaysia stock market. While Alibaba Group Holding Limited (BABA), along with Citron Components Incorporated, other stock from the United States. For the reason of selecting the most efficient stock, this analysis consists of a top-down approach to security analysis. It also involves economy, industry fundamental, and technical analysis. The return on investment (ROI) was also utilized in this analysis to assess the financial viability of a particular investment or to construct return among many assets. Economy analysis. Firstly, Petronas Gas Berhad report a decline in Q3 profit due to gas and oil price fluctuation. The CEO anticipates challenge due to economic uncertainty and global energy security concern. Moving on, KLCC news a net profit increase to RM 185.34 million in Q3 2023 with positive result from its hospitality and consumer goods sectors. Despite economic recovery expectation, they foresee a challenging market environment. Telecom Malaysia Berhad remain caution, projecting a resilient stand despite economic condition. With a net profit of RM 1.14 billion in financial year of 2022 and increasing revenue, TM highlights the importance of careful spending amid potential economic obstacles. For BABA, the company faced a 20% stock value decrease in 2023, reflecting China economic challenges. However, its strategy flexibility, diverse corporate approach, and solid financial position it as a robust competitors in the global digital space. Lastly, Citron Components Incorporated experienced consistent growth but faced challenges due to its modest size and increased competition. The company is focusing on high-margin ODM project to mitigate risk and continue to distribute dividend despite a recent decline in sales.
Next is industry analysis, where its methodology is employed to comprehend a company's standing in relation to other participants within the industry. In 5 growth cycle of the industry analysis that we choose is 3 local and 2 international company. First is local company, which are Petronas Gas Berhad. It's a centralized utilities and gas infrastructure company in Malaysia. Thus, role in providing value to the Petronas Group and stakeholders through focused growth and dynamic decision making, but thus influenced by global economic growth and demand. Second company is KLCC Property Holding Berhad, KLCCP, operates in KLCC Real Estate Investment Trust, focusing on property development, particularly in travel and tourism. The industry overview highlights KLCCP role in owning, managing, and redeveloping office and retail space in Malaysia. KLCCP benefits from urbanization trend as demand for office and retail space grows in dynamic urban landscape. Last is Telecom Malaysia Berhad. TM dominates Malaysia telecom sector with 90% market share in fixed broadband, tracing its route to the colonial era. In the industry, TM offers a wide range of communication services targeting individuals and government's clients, expanding into next-gen connection. The third company is the international-based company Alibaba Group Holding Limited. It's a Chinese tech giant providing diverse service in commerce, cloud, media, and innovation. Alibaba Group is transformative force in business operation, operating marketing, technology, and cloud services. The last one is Citron Components Inc., specialized in ODM electronic component, brand name distribution, and discrete semiconductors, offering turnkey service for OEM and CEM in China and Taiwan. Industry overview, TIDES excel with the vast inventory and market expertise, employing a superstore approach for quick component delivery.
Petronas Gas Berhad, the threat of new entrants of pet gas is mitigated by its expanded infrastructure and utility experience. Deceiving potential competitors, the competitive rival is marked by a strong competition, heightening industry competitive pet gas unique position in the market limited by bargaining of buyers, while the threat of substitute product or services is influenced by the market volatility and a global factor impacting the industry gas. KLCC Property Holding Berhad, in the real estate sector, KLCC faces a fragmented market with new entrants as a significant competitors. KLCC trade market leadership enhanced investors' trust, giving its considerable bargaining power with supplier. The limit availability of substitute product and the unique and high quality asset owned by KLCC reduce the threat of substitute. Next is Telecom Berhad. High entry barriers in the telecommunication industry contribute to the threat of new entrants. The oligopoly market structure with competitive from DG, Maxis, and Celcom intensives competitive rival. Substitute bargaining power lies with the buyers due to the low switching costs, while weak substitute and the potential threat of the internet service impact the industry. Alibaba Group Holding Limited. Alibaba's strong network effect and user base differ new competitors, contributing to a lower threat of new entrants. Low supplier bargaining power is maintained by a diverse supply base. The potential threat from international competitors offering similar goods and services poses a challenge, contributing to a fight competition in e-commerce, retail, internet, and also technology sector. Trade trend components incorporate. The rising demand for electronic components present challenges for trade trend, leading to intensive competitive, while trade trend may distinguish itself with a more customized approach. Achieving strategic goal in the competitive market remains uncertain. Buyer bargaining power is influenced by volume and product standardization, and potential threats include price sensitive and technological advancement in substitute product or services.
This is for the 3 local companies and the 2 international companies. First, for the local company, which is Petgas, Petronas Gas Berhad, financial from 2018 to 2022 indicate revenue growth but a corresponding drop in net income to RM 1,758.468 million in 2022. Profit margin declined, equity ratio improved slightly, and leverage ratio remained below 1. The increasing payout ratio signals a commitment to shareholder, but dividend yield and EPS declined. Investors should closely analyze financial report for insight into this fluctuation and assist for Petronas Gas Berhad overall financial health. Next, for the KLCC Property Holding Berhad, rebounded from a revenue dip in 2021 due to the Movement Control Order, which is MCO, reaching RM 1,459.251 million in 2022. Net income increased from RM 838.92 million in 2018 to RM 911.554 million in 2022. KLCC Property Berhad showed recovery with increased revenue, improved profitability, and shareholder value. Now for the last local company, which is Telekom Malaysia Berhad, valued at RM 25 billion, TM 2022 revenue hit RM 12.1 billion, with net income rising to RM 1.14 billion. Positive trends include improving profit margin, a rebounding ROE at 14.14%, and decreasing debt. Liquidity ratio stands at a current ratio of 1.17 and a quick ratio of 1.11. TM's financial shows that they have been able to stay strong and adapt well in a constantly changing market. For Alibaba Group Holding Limited, revenue soared to RM 554.5 billion in 2022, while net income fluctuated, peaking at RM 93.1 billion in 2021. Profitability ratio declined, with gross and net profit margin falling to 36.76%. ROE dropped to 4.39%. Market ratio includes a price to earning ratio of 27.21 and no dividend yield for Alibaba Group Holding Limited. Alibaba faces challenge in the competitive tech landscape. Now for the last international company, which is Titron Component Incorporated, TAID reported RM 39.2 million in revenue and RM 14.9 million in net income in 2022. The company showed improved profitability with rising gross and net profit margin and an increased ROE at 19.88%. The company showed improved profitability with rising gross and net profit margin and an increased ROE of 19.88%. So that's all from me. Thank you.
The MACD chart analyzes reveals multiple instances of bearish momentum as the blue MACD lines drop below the red signal line, especially in August, September, October, and November, December. This occurrence signals a potential sell. Conversely, periods like July and August show the MACD line rising, indicating an upward trend and a bullish signal suggesting opportune moments for buying. The Petronas RSI fluctuates between 30% and 70%. Consistent RSI above 70% for December 13 to January 4 signals potential sell signals, while subsequent declines below 70% suggest enter oversold territory. Moving average show an overall upward trend from July to mid-December, indicating stability. The closing price breached both support levels from December 12 to January 12, suggesting potential buying opportunities and underscoring strong demand. KLCC experienced bearish MACD trends from July 5 to 31 and during November 22 to December 11. However, upward trends in August and other periods indicate potential buying opportunities. KLCC RSI fluctuates between 30% and 70%. Peaks above 70% suggest overbought conditions, triggering sell signal, while drops below 30% indicate potential oversold scenarios. The general trend for all moving average remains steady and stable from July through the end of October, indicating a stable momentum in the stock price. From December 15 to January 12, the closing price approached and crossed over support levels 1 and 2, indicating possible rallies and purchasing opportunities. TM shows a consistent MACD line drop below the signal line from July 3 to 17 and a decline from September 12 to October 10. However, an upward trend from July 20 to August 10 suggests a bullish signal. TM consistently has an RSI above 70% signaling overbought conditions. However, the RSI began declining below 70% from July 7 to 10, indicate potential buying opportunities. The intermediate term and long-term moving average display a steady and stable trend from July through the beginning of October, indicating a stable momentum in the stock price during that period. Breach of support levels from January 4 to 12 suggests potential rebounds and buying opportunities, emphasizing strong demand at support levels.
So now I'm going to present about the technical analysis of the international stock. First is the Alibaba Group. As the highlighting part, the MACD line fell rapidly start from 16th of November and climbs above the signal line on 14th of December. At the 9th of January, it shows again a downward, so it's suggesting to sell. For the RSI, it exceeded 70% from July and peaked on 24th of July with a value of 75.2. The RSI start fell below 30% start from August and it reached the lowest at 8.4. For the moving average, during the course of these 6 months, the long, intermediate, and the short-term moving average exhibit a continuous and constant trend. Within the 6 months, the closing price of this company is violated at near support levels 1 and 2, so the share price typically encouraged to buy. So next, it's come to the Titron Components Incorporated. In January, the MACD line dropped sharply between 8 and 12. It displays a negative signal, so it's suggesting to sell. But on 14th of December to 4th of January, the MACD line rises above a signal line, which showed a positive signal. From August to December, the RSI dropped below 30%. The peak of this indicator is only 8.6 on 23 of August. So on 21st of December, the RSI peaked on the value of 74.9, which is the highest. So for the moving average, it actually same with the Alibaba, which exhibit a continuous and constant trend. So most of the share closure price of this company throughout the 6 months closed above the resistance line. Once the share price hits a solid support level, it usually will show to rise again. So in conclusion, the investment analysis might not be the fundamental element, but it can alleviate some of the uncertainty with the combination of other analysis in which it can tell the investors how the stocks move and the possibility of the stock's trend in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.